Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 bread machines. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Oster CKSTBR-TW20. 650 watt bread maker with up to a 2.0 pound loaf capacity is ideal. 12 bread settings, and 3 crust settings for making a variety of breads. Express bake setting bakes bread in under an hour. 13-hour programmable baking timer for fresh bread anytime. Large LCD display and intuitive button controls for easy operation. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 29882C. 12 settings including gluten-free. Choose 1.5 lb or 2 lb loaf and crust settings. Great for dough prep. Large digital display with delay timer. Non-stick, dishwasher safe pan and 2 kneading paddles. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. SKG Automatic. The real pleasure of homemade bread is clicks away. Automatic, intelligent, tastier and healthier. Cooking enhanced design and high quality build. Added values. Devoted customer service. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Cuisinart CBK110. Cuisinart quality technology promises superior crust. 12 pre-programmed menu options, fully automatic, easy to use. 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, and bakes up to a 2-pound loaf. Vertical baking pan for counter-friendly compact design. Lid with viewing window to monitor the process. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Zojirushi BB POC 20BA. Bakes a large traditional rectangular shaped 2-pound loaf. Dual kneading blades to knead the dough thoroughly. Quick baking cycle prepares breads in about 2 hours. Includes a measuring cup and measuring spoon. Additional heater on lid for even baking. Please check the description for details and best price.